Hi, I'm Eric, and I want to show you the process of how to inflate our CanDo inflatable balls to their appropriate size. For demonstration, I'm going to show you how to inflate the ball that comes with the CanDo Metal Ball Chair. This process can be done with our other CanDo inflatable balls. This product comes with a hand pump so you're able to inflate your ball properly. There are other options that you can use to make this process a little bit quicker. You can use a larger hand pump, you can use an electric hand pump, or an air compressor if that's available for you. When you're ready to inflate your ball, take your hand pump and place the tip into the hole of the ball with firm pressure. When you start putting air into the ball, make sure that it's nice and smooth. If you feel resistance, add a little bit more pressure into the hole and then resume pumping. After you feel that you cannot pump the ball anymore, take out the hand pump and place in the ball plug. Next, we're going to allow the ball to sit for 24 hours. This time, we'll allow the ball to stretch. After a 24-hour period, you can then remove the ball plug and add in additional air so that the ball can reach its desired size. After the 24-hour resting period, we recommend that you place your inflatable ball in the metal ball chair. This will allow you to add air so you can reach its final size. The 24-hour resting period is a crucial step to allow the ball to reach its maximum size. As you can see the difference between a ball that has not rested and a ball that has.